Nanobabo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Mexico, Pampanga, particularly Bayas Resort.
So dito napakalaki ng place
Ang
na
laki actually
resort,
ng
di ba?
And they have 3 parang sections in this resort, in this 1-hectare resort. If you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go! Welcome to Bayas Resort.
So yun nga, this is their American exclusive pool ang tawag nila.
Yes.
But this is the accommodation kung saan mag-i-stay yung mga mag-aarkila nito. So for only how much, bro?
For only 13,500, it is good for 35 packs.
Wow.
Imagine kung gaano karami yung maka-accommodate dito.
So this accommodation has 3 bedrooms, dalawa po dito sa baba, and then 1 on their loft or their second floor. And then the entire place is actually parang livable house na siya.
Yes,
So you get your kitchen, your dining area, you get your
living room. At the
Ayan.
same time, meron na rin siyang free video care.
Yes,
Ayan.
and what's good here is meron din kayong private pool, which is yung pupuntahan natin.
So tara, tingnan natin.
Tara! So ayun Mark, habang papunta tayo nga dun sa mga pool area nila, meron tayong mga common passage dito. So which is actually very Instagrammable. And during the evening, napaka picture perfect nito kasi you have like parang Christmas feels na yung lugar dito.
At the same time, napaka close to nature kasi maraming puno. Napakalawak ng lugar. So talagang mafe-feel mo yung nature vibes dito.
I think ito yung sa mga naghahanap ng accommodation or place na hindi congested, hindi siya parang enclosed, no?
Yes.
Ganun. So this is the place to be. Ang relax ng lugar. Has a lot of trees actually.
Malaki din yung parking lot.
So malapit na tayo dun sa pool area. Let's go. So ito nga yun, Mark, this is what you will get dun sa American
Exclusive pool.
Yes. So this is the pool area in which, again, more than 35 person sulit na to.
Actually, meron siyang dalawang pool. Meron siyang mga kiddie pool and
Yes.
syempre yung pang-adult. At the same time, meron siyang mga slides.
So nabanggit namin kanina, it has 3 sections dito sa resort na to. Let's go now to the second one.
Tara.
This is the second villa and it's called, anong pangalan, bro?
Romanian exclusive pool.
So this is the Romanian exclusive pool and this is the pool area. And this naman can accommodate up until?
Up till 25 packs for only 9,500.
Yes, and it has available 2 rooms. Available din yung mga cottages dito. Actually, lahat ng makikita nyo dito included po dun sa natin.
At the same time, kung magluluto naman, meron din silang mga griller and stove. Yan.
Wow. So the last one is gonna be how much?
6,500, which is yung kanilang Canadian exclusive pool.
So yung pinakamura, guys. Are you excited to see it? So ayun guys, again, this is the last villa here.
So this is the Canadian exclusive pool. So meron siyang swimming pool. At the same time, meron din siyang 1 villa na which is good for 20 packs.
For only 6,500 pesos. So yung 20 packs na yun, guys, is free entrance na yun. So imagine, yan, this entire place here is gonna be yours exclusively. Right, so yun nga guys, Mark, what can you say about the place?
So unang-una, napakalaki, napakaganda. Previously, it is a public resort. So ngayon ginawa nilang 3 exclusive
villas.
pools.
So, tama. So again, let me repeat po yung mga villa na available dito. So yung American, which
Yes.
is up until
35 packs.
35 packs for
Yeah.
only.
13,500.
And then yung Romanian naman natin is good up until
25 packs,
25
which
packs.
for 9,500.
And then lastly, yung Canadian naman natin is good, I think, siguro sa mga small to medium size
Yes.
family up until 20 persons.
For
And
only 6,500.
yun. So guys, para sa akin, ang pinaka-selling point dito is yung mga naghahanap ng lugar wherein you can relax,
Yes.
you can unwind, na napakamura in terms of how many packs kung na
Yung
pwede niyang i-accommodate. Oo.
Imagine, kung ganong karami at ganong kamura, talagang feeling ko mag-enjoy yung mga buong pamilya natin dito.
Exactly, guys.
Bayas Resort is located dito sa may San Jose, Malino, Mexico, Pampanga. So they are having check-in time from 3 p.m. until 11 a.m. the next day.
So coming from the NLEX exit dito sa Lakeshore, it's just around 10 to 15 minutes makakarating ka na dito. So again guys, this is another option if you are checking a place to relax, to unwind, to have a time with your family dito po sa Pampanga, and come and check out Bayas Resort.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and enjoy the view dito sa may Bayas Resort.
Thank you for watching. Until our next discovery,
Peace out.